Hello everyone. I would just first like to congratulate all of you who have cleared this tapasya. I hope everyone will agree कि JEE is a tapasya. और तपस्या में बहुत सारे sacrifices करने पड़ते हैं और इन सब बच्चों ने खूब sacrifices किए. So they deserve all the accomplishment, they deserve all the accolades, all the encouragement that we get. So first of all, hats off to all of you, and I have a round claps for everyone. Now I would like to invite a special, very special student, Puneet Chaudhary. I would just like to first tell, he had his lots of ups and downs. Last year, he struggled a bit in his previous institute. He came to us in the early year, last year. He adjusted, he attended all the extra lectures, utilizes all the resources very well, and maximized his potential. Just listen to this now. He got 295 marks in JEE Mains 1, which is a huge accomplishment. Only one question he got incorrect, and that was also because of his silly mistake. He continued his hard work. He got a brilliant rank of 376 in JEE Advanced, which itself is a well clapping accomplishment again. So Puneet is a perfect example. Like, you can have your ups and downs, but with the right guidance, proper resources, you can shine and you can achieve your maximum strength. So I would just like to welcome again Puneet Chaudhary and wish him all the luck for his future, and hopes he makes us proud in the future also. Very good.
Thank you so much, Gaurav sir, for this kind words and wonderful introduction. So, when I began my big journey with BT 12 standard, my confidence was pretty low, as mentioned by Gaurav sir. All the teachers supported and motivated me a lot through these years and believed in me, which played a very crucial role in boosting up my confidence. I would like to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to my parents, grandparents, as well as my teachers for their continuous support and guidance in this journey. I am incredibly fortunate to have spent one of the most important years of my life in this incredible institute, Barkley World Tutorials. I would really like to thank my parents as well as grandparents who have always stood by me throughout all the difficult times. They have been the pillar of support throughout my life and have stood by me in all the difficult times. I am really grateful for them. Moreover, I would like to thank all the teachers in BT who have always supported me throughout. Every lecture seemed like a festival. Those 3 hours vanished like 3 minutes. What could be better than getting knowledge without the slightest of boredom? Can't thank my teachers enough for the continuous guidance as well as support in this journey. Also, having a healthy competition with my peers never let me slack, and this motivated me a lot to continue working even more harder through these years. Lastly, I would like to thank VB sir himself for his wonderful motivation sessions before the exam. They really helped a lot in getting rid of all the negativity and boosting up the confidence which is really required in any competitive exam. I will forever cherish these memories with BT. Thank you.